If you want real Jamaican red root scallion like this, don't buy it. Grow your own. Look at this bunch of scallion. Look at the roots. This is a real scallion right here. We call it scallion in Jamaica. It's also known as escallion. Let me show you exactly how I grow mine. You probably can see me making space for my scallion. This is a raised bed, so I'm just making some space. I'm going to plant them right along here, right along the side of my raised bed. Now, this is what we call Jamaican red root scallion. You see that red base? That's where the flavor comes from. Not like the thin shop ones. This is strong, proper, and full of taste. Today, I am going to plant out my red root scallion. This is the Jamaica red root scallion. I've got a whole bunch of it. But you don't plant the whole bunch in the soil, nor in the pot. I'm going to plant mine right along there. You can see where I was pushing the soil, making space for it. But remember, when you go to the barbers, you cut your hair and it grow back thick and nice. So I'm going to trim the top bit of the scallion. Trim that off. Yeah. See that? This looks much better now, isn't it? Trim the top bit so the growing stage, it can concentrate on pushing the energy into growing and not, trying to reach for the sky. And also, what I'm going to do is trim the roots as well. So you don't trim the roots. So trim off the old roots. See? Trim the old roots. Don't plant it with the old roots. Make sure that, we know the scallion nice, so sometimes you can fry up the scallion just alone and put it on two dumplings and it's, the full of flavor. And these are the real one. This is more expensive in Jamaica to buy than the normal white one. This is Jamaica red root scallion. There it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break. Try not to damage the scallion. Put one in the soil. So you take one off because this is one scallion, or this was one root multiply and become this. Would you believe it? This one root of scallion becomes this bunch. So that's why you don't want to plant them too close, right? So we're going to go down and start planting them along the side. And equally, you can put them some in pots as well. Really nice, flavorful scallion. Trim off the top of it. You can hear the helicopter over there. I'm in a flight zone, guys, so plane, helicopter, everything you hear. Yeah, so right, so I'm gonna go down now. Let's go down the bottom and start planting these. Would you believe if I told you that this bunch of scallion was one? This was one scallion that planted and become this whole bunch. This is why when you're planting them, you have to plant them a good foot apart because the scallion multiply and become bunches of scallion. So this was one. One scallion can give you tons in one hole. So don't plant the whole of it one time. Plant one in the root and it multiplied to this. Remember me tell you, as you're gonna regret. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to break the scallion from the root. If you notice, there it is. And I'm going to trim any elongated roots along here. And I'm going to dig my hole, and you don't want it too deep, and plant my scallion But believe you me, this had a whole heap of fertilizer soup. The whole raised bed was thrown with fertilizer soup in here. So I don't need to put any more. It's the soil is good, it's well fed, and I don't need to add any more. So I'm going to just put that in there, and there you go. So that's one scallion planted. And then I plant it a foot apart. Remember, you plant one in each hole, yeah? You don't want too much in the hole because they multiply. And when I say multiply, they multiply. You don't want too much in there. So just pick a nice one, a nice fat one. And scallion is used in seasoning, you know, scallion in your soup. If I just prise this apart. Hold on. Let me prise this apart. There we go. Don't be afraid. Nothing going to happen. You know, even if the root come off, you can still plant it. So just trim it right down and let it concentrate in building new roots and a new growth. There we go. Scallion planted. So I'm going to do the rest and then I will show you how they all turn out. So let me move that across there. And you can also plant them in pots, but it's handy that you can plant your scallion and you don't have to go to the shop to go buy a scallion, because these are gold. You don't need to spend money when you can just walk in your garden and pick whatever you need from your garden to season up your meat. It is very okay, and that's done. Let's go my scallion. I'll show you how it all looks when I'm finished. Don't think I'll be able to plant all of them tonight, but I'll do what I can. Right, so I only planted a few holes of scallion, my Jamaica red root scallion. If you notice, they're going all the way down. Yep, there we are. There we go. Right, as with anything, once you've planted anything at all in the soil, you always make sure that you give it a drink. Give it a drink of water, or if you're feeding it, you give it some feed. And that's our scallion getting the water. So good luck with your scallion. I'm going to use some of mine in my cooking. I'm going to make a nice meal and I'm going to use it to make the sauce. And I'll show you that scallion has so versatile. Okay, so the raised bed is getting ready. So the thyme is there and the scallion is here. Since I've planted my Jamaica red root scallion, they are showing signs of improvement. You can see we had a little bit of rain, so give this a few weeks or months and it will certainly be a big bunch of scallion. Try it for yourself. Don't throw away your roots. Plant them, grow your own. You'll never go back to shop bought again. So if you decide to cook with your scallion, if you're making a nice meal with your scallion or seasoning up or making some form of jerk season or whatever, and you're going to use your scallion, right? So a good way to do it, so you can still use the scallion and you can still get another scallion from it. So just cut the small bit off, and you can still plant that bit, and you just use this for your cooking. So stay tuned. I'll be cooking my Escallion pumpkin rice. Stay tuned for that, and you get to see how I cook it with the real Jamaica red root scallion.